Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome to Geology Concepts. I'm here to discuss with you an interesting question from the IIT JAM 2016 question paper. As you can see, the question belongs to the contact goniometer. It's a numerical answer type question and it has created a fuzz in the public. The IIT Madras got students confused about the answer of this question, but here I am to clear the doubt about it. They did not change the answer in the final answer key as well, but the answer needs to be changed. But anyways, we will going to see the correct explanation and solution of this particular question. But before going to question directly, I would like to discuss contact goniometer about with you. So see, it's a very simple and an ancient device, we can say, which is particularly used to measure the interfacial angle of a crystal. But see, the device in front of you, which is actually a contact goniometer, is a very simplistic device and it's used way before the technology was advanced. In this particular type of goniometer, you could actually only use larger crystals and only the visible faces of this crystal could be measured, or the angle between these faces will be measured. So here you can see this is the device, this is how it actually looks like, and you just place your crystal here between the arms of this goniometer, and whatever angle it reads on this protractor will be the angle of this angle will be actually between the poles or the orthogonal lines or normals, we can say, of the two consecutive faces. But this angle is also equal to the exterior angle of these two faces, and of course once you get the exterior angle, you can very well calculate the interior angle, and hence this is how you get the interfacial angle using a contact goniometer. So our question was based on this contact goniometer only, but this is not just it. As the technology advanced, new technology came up and things got really precise. So after this contact goniometer, there were few which used light or beams to actually go into the crystal and use the reflected light to calculate the interfacial angle of smaller crystals as well. And even after that, presently we are using X-ray technology, in which a very fast and very accurate measurement of interfacial angles can be done. Having said this, now I would like to show you the question which was asked in IIT JAM 2016 examination. This was the question in which the exterior angle between two planes 001 and 021 is measured with a goniometer, and it is given to be 40 degrees. That means this angle, either you take this angle because this is the exterior angle of these two planes, or you could actually extend this line and calculate this angle as well. Both of these angles are same and 40 degrees. Now the next thing they are asking is the interior angle between this plane and the other one, 010 and 021. Now they are asking the interior angle, that means this one. Now there are two methods to do this question. I will discuss both of them with you. Now the first one is, see, if you just use this 40 degree exterior angle, you can actually very well calculate the interior angle by just subtracting it by 180 degree. So if you do so, you will get 140 degree as this interior angle. Now look closely, this is actually a 5-sided polygon, A, B, C, D and E, and any 5-sided polygon will actually enclose, or its interior angle sum will be equal to 540 degrees. Now out of these 5 angles, one is 140, other 3 are 90, so it becomes 270 plus 140, and the one remaining is what we are looking for, that is our theta. So if you calculate theta from here, you will get 130 degrees as your answer. Now this is one technique. The second method we can use actually is by using this another angle. This is also 40 degrees, this is another pair of this exterior angle, and now you could actually use the outer triangle or outer right triangle, which you might form by just extrapolating these two planes. Now if this angle is 40 degree here and this is 90, again this angle will become 50 degree because the sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. The interior angle sum is 180 degrees. Now if the exterior angle between these two planes, the planes which are being asked, If it is 50 degree, so need not to say the interior angle will be 180 minus 50, that is again 130 degrees. So you could do that way as well. Now the question is, or the confusion is, where answer key says that it is 140 degree instead of 130. So many of the students might be having trouble in actually reaching out to the solution, but this is correct. Your answer for this question will be 130 degrees, and maybe they did not find it out, or maybe nobody challenged the question later, so they did not change it, but here's the confusion that is cleared. So this was it about this particular question. You just don't forget to drop your suggestions, comments, and anything you want me to share with you of about examination or anything, just drop it in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have any queries about our batches or about our courses, just reach out to us. Thank you. Have a nice day.